Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable voice navigation in Google Maps. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to actually download Google Maps and open this application. Here it is. And then in this interface, first of all, at the top right corner, you need to click on your profile image button. And then you need to click on the settings button at the bottom of this list of options. Then in this interface you need to click on the first one option, navigation. Then you will see this interface, these different options. So first of all, you need to make sure you choose guidance audio unmuted. So actually it's very important. Make sure you choose unmute. So after that you need to choose guidance audio, so you can actually click on the normal or make it louder by clicking this option louder, or maybe if you want you can click on the softer button to make it to make it softer actually. So as for me, I will choose normal. So, and actually that's all, and that's how to enable voice navigation in Google Maps. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.